Hi guys, welcome back to another video and a very special video of course because I think it's been really crazy how many comments I've received to showcase the Tomica limited vintage and especially this model, the NSX-R, and maybe I'll give a shout out also to the person who's been really persistent. I'll just have to quickly check. Many of you have commented, but one person, he's been just really consistent. The name is Samarth. So shout out to you, Samarth. Thank you for reminding me 5 times in a day that I have to make an unboxing of this, and of course here we are. So this is the box. I think I showed you the regular boxes. These also I'll be unboxing later on. In my last video also I explained the difference between the Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. So you've got the Neo tag here versus the regular one, the orange box versus the blue box, the Tomica Limited Vintage versus the Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. This one, it's from Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. So Neo is basically any car after 1970. Okay, the car which we have today is the Honda NSX-R 1992. This is what the side of the box looks like, in case you're wondering and you haven't really seen a lot of these boxes. Also interesting thing to note here is, maybe I'll just zoom in and show it to you, that this has got an opening feature which has been displayed in the box. This is another side of the box and this is another side. In this you get more of a front on kind of angle, NSX-R logo, Tomitech. I've explained all the divisions and all of Tomica in my last video. If you are not very familiar with the divisions of Tomica, maybe you can check out my last video please about this. This is the back. So here we've got Tomica, here we've got TLV Neo, NSX-R, a picture of the car, and then lots of Japanese text, but most important things are written there in English, which is the Tomitech logo, age rating 15 plus, and that this is an official Honda licensed product. Unboxing experience is actually quite nice and premium. It opens up like this, and over here also you've got all the details. You actually get a tool inside it to open the engine cover, and it's actually shown how to open it. As I said, it's got an opening part and all. Other sides of the box, not much. I'll just twist it around and show it to you. Now after you open it, this part of the box, you get a card inside it. It's all in Japanese, like most of it is in Japanese. I'll just see if I can open my Google Translate and maybe show it to you live on screen. What is it? Yeah, maybe if I focus on my screen, can you read it? Maybe you can pause and read it. This can help you out. Now after I've shown you that, this is the box, the big blister. So maybe I'll just take this out and show it to you. Very premium unboxing experience. I'll make a detailed short unboxing video of this, of course. This is the picking tool which I was telling you guys about. So you get this, and this is a very nice picking tool which you get inside. Over here, so you see this part, this is all wrapped. This is all wrapped in cellophane. This is actually so amazing. I've never seen the bottom part of a blister being wrapped. So attention to detail is really impressive. An opening experience, very nice, very premium. You take this out, you've got the car very snugly fit inside. It's wrapped with this butter paper kind of thing, and this actually helps you in picking up the car. You know, like you can just do this and you do not risk damaging the car's mirrors and other parts. So now that I've taken it out, maybe I'll just change the angle a little bit and show you the model in detail. So here we are guys, this is our beautiful model, the TLV NSX-R, and you check it out. Maybe from the side we'll start. First of all, you check out the wheels, beautiful wheels, and as I had mentioned when I was telling you about this brand, that these are very meticulously detailed, and that means that, as you can see, even so up close and personal, that the tires, they are made of a soft compound which gives a very realistic feel, and it's very freely rolling, of course, no problem there, very freely rolling. And I think we all know that Tomica is a brand which has immense pride in having one of the best suspension systems for their cars in 64 scale, and of course this also has that. It's just so nice, the suspension travel, the way it feels, the way it sounds, front and rear of course. Very nice glossy black roof, maybe so glossy that I need to actually wipe it a little. Yep, you see, you can actually see my reflection, it's that good. The fuel cap detailing, really brilliant. And I mean, I'm not trying to speak too much about the interior. I want to show you the car first, then I want to show you the interior, but I don't think we can miss it. The red seats, the steering detailing, I think this is one of the best detailed interiors I've ever seen in a 64 scale car. You also have to check out the wiper detailing on the windshield and the level of the clarity of the glass which has been used for the windshield. It is so transparent, the glass. And also you guys remember the way I told you how particular the TLV or the TLV Neo lineup is about the 64 scale, exact scale. Check out the front, the light detailing, the popped down headlamps, the number plate area, all of it so nicely done. And the paint is just amazing. The paint finish just 10 on 10, so beautiful from all angles. Now I think I'll quickly show you the rear. The rear is also a little tricky to show you, especially because I need to be careful of the mirrors. The mirror detailing also, maybe we can just have a look at it like this. Beautiful details. I think when my company made this microphone, they never imagined that it would once be used like this. But check it out, I've just propped it against my microphone to give you the perfect view of the car's rear detailing. I've always said this, that if a car is red, then generally the red tail lamps, they get washed out a little. But still it's so perfect, proper plastic inserts, which means that they stand out. Even the spoiler detailing, it's very nice. And also the exhaust detailing, the number plate detailing. If you have it enough of this angle, then maybe I just turn it around a little, you know, just show you the spoiler, the wing. And of course from this angle I need to show you the base detailing, which is like really terrific for a 64 scale car. And as you can see, scale 1:64 Honda NSX. And here we've got the exhaust detailing, which is pretty crazy for a small scale car. You just check this out, it's really amazing. Now what is, I think, the USP of this car and why everyone loves this car is because this has got this opening part. So until now I have not really opened my picking tool, so I'll just try and open it up with something else and just show it to you. So here we go guys, this is what the engine bay looks like once opened, and it's actually got two covers. So we've got the rear windshield, which is raised right now, and below that we've got the engine cover also, and both of the parts are raised. So the engine detailing for a 64 scale car, I think phenomenal is a great word to describe it. And then the moving parts, maybe I can just drop the engine cover first and show it to you guys. This is what the engine cover drops down like, and you check it out, it's actually very amazing that this is perforated. So I have said it before also in a couple of my other videos that usually in such small scales, these tiny mesh like replications are not at all easy. So this is a job very well done. And once I close it, the panel gap is just minimal. And of course after that we've got this, which is the rear windshield, and this is what it drops down like. And you see we've got just a tiny slot here, so you can see how big my nail is compared to that. So that is why you need a special tool to open it. And maybe now I can just show you the interior just a little bit. Oh wow, yes, this is such an amazing angle to admire the interior. Maybe from this angle the steering also. Wow. So this is it guys, this is the Tommy Tech TLV Neo Honda NSX-R, which you guys really wanted to see. I had received so many comments, and of course As I mentioned, a very big shout out to Samarth, who had been quite persistent in requesting its review. Now after this, what I am thinking personally, that maybe I can make a video of this one and this one. Maybe I can show you a couple of cars in a single video. But for now, what did you think about this particular model? What did you think about the detailing? What did you think about the features? What did you think about the packaging? Please let me know all of that in the comments. Thanks for watching.